Breitling, instruments for professionals.
Welcome to Skydive Dubai.
Hello.
13,000 feet.
Yes.
And then we throw you out. Okay? Nice. You ready for this?
Yes.
Absolutely cool. Your instructor explained everything?
Yes.
No question left?
No.
So you are ready to skydive. Have fun.
We got what I want, where we going. She was standing with the eyes closed in the center of the floor, looking flawless in the neon. She said, come on. She said, come on. Oh baby, we're on. Yeah, baby, we're on. I'm sailing the whole world, coming once. Baby, we're on. Oh baby, we're on. I'm telling the world to watch, tell the world to watch. We're so good to go.
What up, buddy? We're halfway up in the plane.
Okay.
Enjoy your skydive.
Thank you.
This one's for me. Tonight, tonight, I'll take it all the world. This one's for me. Tonight, it's like I'm invincible. This one's for me. This one's for me tonight. This one's for me tonight. You fail, but you do it so well. When the stars in the sky start to dim, you start to shine. There's an open road ahead, so I'm never turning back. I'll be waiting for you there, just in case you had to ask. This one's for me. Tonight, tonight, I'll take it all the way. This one's for me. Tonight, it's like
Awesome. Well done. How was it?
It was great.
Very nice. So would you do it again?
Yes. Next year again. I'm coming back.
Thank you very much for jumping with us at Skydive Dubai.
Spaceship.